Good morning, students. I am BK Singh from Science Faculty SJS Motihari. In biology for class 9th, after studying the electron microscopic structure of plant cell and animal cell, you have to describe the structure of two main important cell organelles, mitochondria and chloroplast. Now see the structure and function of mitochondria. Question: write the structure and function of mitochondria. When this question is asked to you, then a structure of mitochondria. In electron microscope, mitochondria is seen as double membranous structure. Mitochondria is double membranous structure. Double membranous structure. It is outer membrane of mitochondria. Outer membrane. Inner membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded to provide maximum surface area. Since mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell, hence for generation of maximum energy, surface area must be increased. Hence, to provide more surface area, inner membrane of the mitochondria is deeply folded as inner membrane of the mitochondria a folding mitochondria inner membrane you have to see how to draw the structure of mitochondria. This is inner membrane deeply folded, and this membrane is known as inner membrane. The structure formed after folding, this finger-like structure folding is known as cristae. This structure is known as cristae. This type of structure is not cleared in when we study the whole structure of the cell, but when electron microscope focus on mitochondria singly, then this type of structure cleared. In the inner wall of the cristae, such type of structure is seen. Many structures, a stalk-like structure present in the cristae. Each structure is known as F1 particle. Then what is F1 particle? F1 particle, when F1 particle is focused, the structure of F1 particle is seen as F1 particle. F1 particle. This is the head of the F1 particle. Head this part is known as stalk, and this is the base of the F1 particle. In the base of the F1 particle, several enzymes present which helps in the formation of energy. In mitochondria, after breaking of glucose, in the cytoplasm, one molecule of glucose breaks into form two molecules of pyruvic acid. In the presence of oxygen, pyruvic acid converted into cis-aconitic acid, and this intermediate compound enters in the mitochondria, and finally 36 molecule of energy form in the mitochondria. In higher classes, 36 molecule of energy also divided into different parts. ETS इस सब जाएगा इस साइकिल में, उसको आगे पढ़ेंगे, यहाँ छोड़ दो इतना. आपको केवल इतना ही याद रखना है. You have to remember 36 molecule of ATP form in the mitochondria and 2 molecule of ATP form in the cytoplasm during the process of glycolysis. In the mitochondria, 36 molecule of energy form. This process is confirmed by James Krebs, hence it is known as Krebs cycle. Mitochondria क्रेब्स साइकिल के माध्यम से मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी का फॉर्मेशन करता है. एक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में बहुत सारे क्रिस्टी होते हैं, देख रहे हैं बहुत सारे क्रिस्टी में बहुत सारे F1 पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, और ये एनर्जी फॉर्मेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इसी की है. तो एनर्जी के फॉर्मेशन के लिए जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, तो और एक सेल में बहुत सारे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होते हैं. इस तरह से कह सकते हैं कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. तो दिस इज आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, inner membrane, cristae, F1 particles. The region of the mitochondria in which inner membrane is deeply folded is known as mitochondrial cavity. This space is known as mitochondrial cavity. Mitochondrial cavity. Mitochondrial cavity. The fluid present in the mitochondrial cavity is known as mitochondrial fluid or matrix. This is mitochondrial fluid or matrix. Mitochondrial fluid matrix. Mitochondria contains its own genetic material, DNA and ribosome, especially present in the case of mitochondria. DNA and ribosome, special DNA, mitochondrial DNA, and ribosome, bead-like structure present in the mitochondrial fluid. Ribosome. Only two organelles present in the cell, mitochondria and chloroplast, contains a special DNA and ribosome. मैंने स्पेशल DNA और राइबोसोम माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, क्लोरोप्लास्ट मैंने प्लास्टिड जो होता है उसमें छोड़कर दूसरे जगह यह नहीं पाया जाता है. स्पेशल केस है सबका. तो एनर्जी का फॉर्मेशन, मेन फंक्शन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया to provide energy, to perform energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. एनर्जी को परफॉर्म करना मेन फंक्शन है किसका? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का। और इसको इसी के चलते इसको पावर ऑफ द सेल के नाम से जानते हैं। और इस स्ट्रक्चर को बोलेंगे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। This is all about the information of mitochondria. If you have any problem related to this topic, please contact me at 99319788803. In next class, I will describe the structure of chloroplast and then function of plasma membrane. Okay.